Listen long, long enough, you can love me. Listen long, long enough, you can love me.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making us some pants. Got a little vacation coming up, so y'all already know I like to do some of my own little things, so that's what we're going to be getting into today. First things first, we are going to fold our pants halfway because I want to cut. This is basically the back of the pants, so we're going to fold those so that I can just cut going straight across. And y'all already know I'm gonna speed it up for you guys because I know y'all don't want to watch no slow process. Who does? But yeah, let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Alright y'all, so this is a T-pin. It's used for wigs, but I'm going to use it to help with my pants. And I'm going to show y'all basically what I'm going to do. Just going to flip this over. Get y'all set up good. I'm just going to flip this over, and basically the white strings are what we're going to be pulling off. But if you cut it with scissors, then some of them are just gonna like shred, but you want to keep them whole as possible. Let me see. Yeah, that's exactly what you want to do. So basically I'm just getting it set up to where I can have my whole pieces, because once it's cut, it's pretty much cut. You can tie it if you want, but I don't think that'll be a good look. But basically with distressing jeans, there's no correct way of doing it. Because it's going to form in its own little design. So I just go with the flow, whatever happens. But you're just gonna take your pin and pull out the white string. Well, let me get this other side correct. And then I shouldn't have any more problems with my white string. Alright, so we're just gonna take our T-pin and we are just gonna gently pull that because you don't want to rip it. It may get caught up in some of the blue strings, but you just want to lightly pull that so that you don't tear it. So your main objective is getting your white string out without tearing it. And see, there you have it. So you're just going to basically keep doing this until all your strings are out. You will have a little mess with the blue strings, but if you clean as you go, then you should be good. But we're just gonna basically keep doing this, and once I have a good amount, then I'll be back to show you guys off and on.